In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Manychat mention their first name in the automation. Personalizing your messages with a subscriber's first name is one of the quickest ways to boost engagement, and it only takes a moment to set up inside Manychat. Start by opening Manychat and heading to the Home tab so you're in the right workspace. From there, look to the left side menu and click Automation. This is where all of your flows and sequences live, and it's the place you'll edit the messages your subscribers receive. Next, select the automation you want to personalize. Open it so you can see the steps or messages inside. What you're looking for is the very first message in the flow, the one the subscriber receives right away. In the builder, this section is described as what they will get, and it's specifically the opening DM. That first touch is where adding a name has the biggest impact, so that's exactly where we'll make the change. Click into that opening message to edit the text. In the greeting line, replace your generic salutation with a personalized one. Change it to, "Hey, first name." Type the curly brace token exactly as shown so Manychat can pull the subscriber's first name from their profile. Keep your punctuation and tone consistent with your brand voice. An exclamation point is friendly and conversational, but you can swap it for a comma if you prefer a calmer tone. A quick note on how this works. The first name field dynamically inserts the person's first name when it's available. If a name isn't present on the platform, your message will still send, so make sure the rest of your sentence reads naturally even without the name. It helps to follow the greeting with a clear, self-contained sentence, like a short welcome or a concise value statement. That's all you need to personalize the opening DM inside your automation. By placing the name token right at the top, you make the conversation feel tailored from the first touch, which can lift replies and click-throughs. Simple change, meaningful result.